Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot or fix any issue with your Timiza app. So if you have been trying to open your Timiza app and it can't open or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this problem for once and for all. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now there are quite a number of steps you can take to solve any issue with your Timiza app. In the first method, we are going to access the app information page and then we shall do our first troubleshooting from there. To do that, just go and look for settings option, and mine is here. And then from this, scroll down until you see this option called apps. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From here, look for the option called manage apps. On some smartphones, it might be written all apps or more apps. Tap on it. And then this will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Scroll down until you find your app. And as you can see, mine is here. If you can't find it, you can as well search for your app using this search function. So once you locate your app, tap on it. And as you can see, we are on the app information page. And this is where we shall do our first troubleshooting. However, if getting to this page is quite tedious for you or you can't find it, then let me show you a shortcut method you can use to get here. For that, just go back and go look for your app. And once you find your app, just go ahead and long press on it. And you see these options, and among them we have app info. If you tap on it, it will again take you to the same app information page. From here, we want to go ahead and clear the app data and more especially Timiza cache data. So if I go ahead and tap on storage, you can see we have a lot of cache data that is available on Timiza app. Now, one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because of the accumulation of cache data. When you talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that your app normally stores whenever you use it. Now, the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So to solve this issue, you need to go ahead and clear this cache data. To clear cache files, just head down here under clear data, and then you'll see these two options, clear all data and clear cache. Choose the clear cache and OK. And as you can see, our cache files have been cleared. From here, restart your smartphone and then try opening your app, and it should have solved your problem. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and clear all the data by typing on clear all data on the same page and OK, and then try opening your app. Now, by using any of these two methods, your app should be up and running. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then proceed to the third and the last method to solve your issue. For that, just head over to your app through Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android. I'll go to Google Play Store and search for my app. And here is my Timiza app. Then check for any update if it is available. Now, one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you have been using an outdated version of Timiza app. To get the latest version, you need to go ahead and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and update it to the latest version. Apart from getting the latest features, you'll also be able to fix security issues as well as fix bugs that might be associated with the older version of Timiza app. From here now, you can proceed and tap on open to start using these latest features on Timiza app. So by using any of these three methods, you should be able to solve your problems once and for all. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.